In this episode of Tencent Cloud Enterprise Unboxing Time, we will walk you through cloud product monitoring and alarms, covering two key parts. First part, VM migration upon CVM host hardware faults. As a critical high-availability function, CVM's fault migration capability ensures service continuity through constant health checks of physical hosts. Upon detecting hardware faults or system exceptions, Tencent Cloud Enterprise instantly triggers automated migration. That is, seamlessly relocating impacted CVM instances to other healthy hosts in the cluster. This approach significantly reduces service downtime and enables quick service restoration, delivering high reliability for your applications. Log in to the Tencent Cloud Enterprise Operations Console, navigate to Monitoring System, and choose Cloud Product Metric. Search for host 10.26.1.44. Check its monitoring chart and find that the host has experienced the disk becoming read-only. Choose Alarm Query. Filter alarm objects by IP address. You can see a disk read-only alarm. Log in to the Tencent Cloud Enterprise Operations Console. Navigate to Cloud Virtual Machine. Choose Host Management and Failover. On the Failure Event tab, the failure event is displayed. Click the event ID. You can see that the 3 VMs on this host are being migrated. Wait for a few minutes. You can see that the migration status of these VMs changes to successful, indicating that they have been successfully migrated. Second part, replacement of abnormal CBS physical disks. Storage products deliver GUI-based O&M capabilities, enabling administrators to centrally manage cloud disks, storage clusters, and storage nodes via the GUI. Let's use a cloud block storage physical disk failure as an example to demonstrate the storage product troubleshooting process. When the cell abnormality alarm is detected, Ops personnel can log in to the Tencent Cloud Enterprise Operations Console and choose Cloud Block Storage, Event Query, and Cluster Events. Search for 10.29.1.156 to locate all events related to the target storage pool. Then, check that the event type is disk bad L0 cache dead. Click the storage pool ID and go to the cluster details page. Click the disk group details tab and locate failed cache disks. Step 1. Initiate the replacement by clicking Replace. In the displayed dialog box, if the disk has been faulty for less than 24 hours, set the weather data migration parameter to No and click OK and confirm to start the replacement. Click Confirm. Step 2. On the physical disk replacement task page, under Task Management, check the disk information, such as the drive letter. Click Confirm Disk Replacement. Step 3. Contact the data center team to have the physical disk replaced. Step 4. Log in to the server and check the new disk information, such as the disk WWN and drive letter. On the physical disk replacement task page, under Task Management, click Confirm New Disk Information. After a few minutes, the replacement is complete, and the task status changes to Task Completed.